how this hair is done, this is your video. So I already made a video in Luganda, but many hairdressers told me to repeat the video in English because they were not understanding what I was explaining, and I was like, don't worry, I got you. So first of all, you're going to start with the client with natural hair, only natural hair. It is done in natural 4C hair only, and it must be long. If the hair is not natural, you put extensions. If it is straight, you put extensions. If the hair is texturized, even a little bit, you use extensions. If the hair is very short, you put extensions. It is done in only long natural hair. The shape of the boxes is not important, but make sure the boxes are small, not big, because if you make them big, there will not be so many to give you that volume. We need the volume, so we need a small boxes to give us the volume. So after that, you're going to get a comb and then start back combing the hair. You back comb the hair after sectioning the hair the way you want it to be. You back comb the hair. This is what they call back combing hair. You push it back to make it thick at the roots. You do this to every part, every section that you've done. Then you get the hair mousse. You put hair mousse. You put a lot of hair mousse, and then you start rolling. You start rolling the hair. You really roll a lot because we need the hair to give us that round look. We need the hair to be round. So you roll and roll, and then when you see it has started making some balls. It started looking like it is circular. Then there you bring a double hook or a single hook or whatever hook you want to use, and then you start crocheting. This is what they call crocheting. Crocheting the hair. Crochet each and every one. Make sure it is strong and thick, and make sure the ends are all in one place. Then after you put more mousse, and then you roll again, and then you roll again, and then it has to look, and then it has to come out this beautiful. As you can see, it is soft and bouncy. If you need it to be a bouncy well, make sure the roots are not so tight. You leave some growth so that the hair can be bouncy. But if you want the hair to last long, of course you have to relock the roots to make them tight, but it won't be bouncy. So this is the final look. Tell me if you like this video. Please follow this account.